Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can make a decals on the Roblox. So first you have to open up your browser and just open up the Roblox by home and just click on the create option you are seeing on the third number, and you can also type the create.roblox.com in the link page. After that just click on the creations you are seeing on the second number. After you click on that, here you just need to click on the development items, and once you click on that, click on the decals. So now the decals page was open. Here scroll down and you will see the upload asset option, so just click on that. Now here you need to just make sure that the asset type is selected to the decal, and just click on the upload and upload your asset from here. After you upload your decal, you can also change or remove it, and then you can type here the name of your decal and also type the description. So after you type it, you just need to click on the upload option you are seeing here. And now your decal is start uploading. Just wait for it and it will redirect you to the new page. After that, just scroll down and you will see your decal. So just click on it and then it will open up the new page where you can also do another settings. And now here you can also type the name and select the genre, and then I'm just selecting it to horror, and then I can select the description, and you can also add the social links. And this is important setting. If you want to distribute on creator store, then you can check this box, and if you want to open for comments, then you can also check this box. After that just click on the save changes option. After that, now you click on the back option you are seeing, and now in this page scroll down and just click on the three dot, click on the open asset details. And now your decal is opening in new page, and now here you can see all the information about your decals, and you can also copy the link and use it anywhere. And guys, this is how you can create the decals on Roblox. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.